How to hide likes on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide likes on X. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and support. And now here, under that, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you are inside the settings and privacy section, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And now here, in this section, you can just tap on audience and tagging. And now here in this section, you'll see the options like protect your post and protect your videos. So here simply toggle on both that options, and this will help to reduce visibility of your likes and interaction. And with that, important note is that X does not offer a direct hide like switch for everyone, but using protected post and privacy settings to reduce visibility can help you a lot. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.